Welcome back to the Midnight Who Show, and today we're going to be reviewing episode 6 and 7 of What If. Now, episode 6 follows what happens if Killmonger saves Tony Stark, and episode 7 follows Thor if he was only an only child, which is a very interesting concept that they decided to explore. Now, I really enjoyed episode 6. You know, it does a really good job exploring the character of Killmonger a lot more, and how much he will go to get his plans achieved. And I really liked him kind of working as, like, everyone's thinking he's a good guy. But no, he's really trying to get his ultimate motives in play. And I really liked that. Now, it was really interesting to see him work with Tony Stark. I really liked that kind of team up that they did. But it also brings up the point that they really must hate Tony Stark a lot. I'm just kidding. It really seems like that in most of these. It's like something bad is going to happen to Tony Stark. We know that now. I really liked the world of Wakanda, how they animated it. It was really well done. But one of my biggest complaints with this episode is something that happened in a few other episodes, is it feels like this is just part 1. Like there's a lot more story to explore, but we're just cut right at that kind of cliffhanger reveal. And I want more of it. I want to see more. And I think that really hurts the episode because, you know, it's really good. There's a lot of great animation. The action scene with Wakanda and Tony Stark and Killmonger's drones was great. And then, you know, Killmonger gets what he wants, comes the Black Panther. But, you know, Shuri, which was great in this episode, by the way, you know, goes to Pepper Potts and shows her the truth. And that's how it ends. I really want more. But I still enjoyed this episode. I thought it was really great. You know, like I said, it was a great exploration of Killmonger. You know, it's like, it just kind of twists a little thing. I really liked how he just saved Tony Stark, and it kind of changes the entire universe now because, you know, he never becomes Iron Man. Now, episode 7 is my least favorite episode out of this entire first season. It's just wasn't for me. You know, it's not the greatest concept either. You know, what if Thor was an only child because, you know, Odin returned Loki. Had a great fight scene between Thor and Captain Marvel. It was probably one of my favorite parts of this entire episode. I really enjoyed it. Now, I will say, though, was it a good idea to have a lighter tone of an episode after the episodes we've gotten before? Yeah, I think it was good. It was a good choice, but this one just didn't captivate me. You know, I was kind of bored by watching it, and I just didn't quite like this idea of, you know, Thor just throwing a big party on Earth and, you know, let's go get his mother to stop what he's doing. I don't know, I didn't enjoy that for that. You know, it's just one of those episodes, sometimes they don't just click with me. But what I can say is, the cliffhanger ending, we know that's going to be resolved, and boy, can I not wait. Seriously, when Ultron Vision just showed up, you're like, oh boy. And even the Watcher knew, it's like, something's happening. But yeah, episode 7, it's not the greatest. You know, the fight scene was amazing, by the way. That's what I'll give it. Captain Marvel, Thor, amazing fight scene. But yeah, episode 6 and 7 of What If, definitely two polar opposite episodes. One I thought was really good, and the other was not so good. Still had some really great moments in episode 7, but just not as good as the other episodes, and especially compared to episode 6. I did actually really enjoy episode 6, because it really just shows how kind of sinister Killmonger can really get, and I really enjoyed that. So if you watched these 2 episodes of What If, tell me your guys' thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.